What's up, guys? Don't mind the fact that I look like absolute shit right now with my hair, but if you guys remember this subwoofer, let me know. I'll put a clip in right here. If you remember that, you're a fucking OG of Sleeper's Garage. Even of this channel right here, you're an OG if you remember this thing. I'm putting it in that. Yeah, that. I'm gonna grab this 5,000 watt amp, and I bought wire for 1600 watts, so hopefully it doesn't melt and go on fire. We're gonna try to do this temporarily. This setup is very temporarily. So I have my remote wire, I have my radio wire, I have my power wire on this side. Power wire is already connected to the battery. Remote wire, and then the radio wire is gonna go in here, sneak up through here, go behind, blah blah blah. I connected that to the cigarette lighter, so when the fuse goes, when you turn the thing on, that'll get power to the amp, whatever you want to call it, I guess, to the amp. And then this thing is already connected to the radio. This is spliced into the actual thing. I was gonna get a Bluetooth radio. This is not Bluetooth, so there's a little aux here, and I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna get the iPhone adapter thing for the aux. If not, I will literally burn my own fucking CDs. I don't even care. Just for now, until I actually feel like splicing a radio into this thing, but it's really not worth it because my main concern is tires. I need tires real bad. It's getting alignment tomorrow. I could barely lift the damn tool back, alright? I don't fucking lift weights. I probably should though. Yeah, we're gonna put the sub right there, like in the old ZJ, if you remember. I'll put a clip in. Alright, update on the Jeep. Let me just turn the music off for a minute here. Everything is back together. I don't know if I showed you guys in the last clip, but I ran the speaker wire to the back of the radio. The radio is hard spliced into the Jeep, so I'm not changing the radio until I find the same one Bluetooth or just another one Bluetooth. I'd have to splice it in anyway, so it doesn't matter. But it's a Sony Explode. You guys know how much I love those. So it's ran down the side. You can see it come out and go across. I'm gonna try to hide that somewhere to hold it for now. I gotta find another screw to put it on there so it stays. This doesn't even say. I like how this is warm already and it's barely doing anything. I don't know. It doesn't say shit on it, but I believe this is 1200 watts or 2000 watts, something like that, so it's not even running at full capacity. I wasn't getting any power to it, so I figured out that my remote wire wasn't, like I said, the cigarette lighter wasn't powering shit, so I had to put that in a fuse, and I figured that out. So anyway, I got this massive sub back here bumping. It works. That took forever, but I just wanted to show you guys now that yeah. And I know this looks like a fucking mess, but it is a shitty ass Jeep, so I'm really not concerned with it. I might just zip tie like the wires together or some shit, so it doesn't look that bad. Damn, I really can't close this fucking side. I think my sub's in the way. Well, my amp is in the way. Okay, that's closed. That's in there. These things installed. If I can unlock it, we're gonna get these things installed. So the truck. So that's cool. Yeah, I got everything. And I'll catch you guys when we get there. And then I'll show the if I go to the shop and do an alignment on this thing. Oh shit, I didn't even see it. That's crazy. That's wild.